In this video, I will show you how you can generate payslip in Xero accounting software. Now to generate payslip in your Xero, you need to follow this step. First step is processing a pay run. So you need to navigate to the payroll menu and from here click pay employees. After that, you have to click on this add pay run button, and then you have to select your pay period. Just select your pay period from this drop down menu and then click on next. Then select the employees to include in this pay run. You can click on this check marks to include it, or you can click on this text mark again to exclude your selected employee. Then you need to review the earnings, deduction and the leave for each employees. Once all of these details looks correct to you, you can click on this post pay run button and then click on again post pay run. Now the second step is accessing and distributing the payslips. After posting the pay run, Xero will automatically generate payslip for each employee. Now to view or print these payslips, you just have to again go to the payroll from here. Then again click on pay employees and from there select your post pay run that you have generated. Now after that, in the pay run details, you will see a list of employees included just like this, and then you just have to click on the employee's name to view their individual payslip. I have to scroll down and you will see this option print. You can just simply click on it, and then it's going to generate a PDF file for your payslip for your employee. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.